You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this animal. We'll be looking at how to say more animal names that are confusing. Can you pronounce that one? Well, you will. A tropical rainforest mammal. Kinkajou. King-ka-ju. Stress on the first syllable here. Kinkajou. It's easy, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.